وآل محمد
وعلى أهل بيته الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين الذين أذهب الله عنهم الرجس وطهرهم تطهيرا.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه الكريم: أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها والأرض وما طحاها ونفس وما سواها فألهمها فجورها وتقواها قد أفلح من زكاها وقد خاب من دساها. صدق الله العلي العظيم. My dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. This ayah that read is known as Surat Alshams. This surah is unique in different ways. But before I proceed to the surah itself, to the chapter itself, I would like to start with the introduction. And that is, whenever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to address something, usually if that thing is very important, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala begins with swearing. And this swearing sometimes it happens to be once, and then Allah proceeds to the point. An example of that in the Quran is Surat Al-Asr, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ. I swear by the time, and then He proceeded to the point. Sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He swears twice in the surah or in the ayahs, then He proceeds to the point. And some example of this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, لا أقسم بيوم القيامة ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة. Sometimes He swears 3 times. Like in some examples, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَالتِّينِ وَالزَّيْتُونِ وَطُورِ سِينِينَ. And then He says, وَهَذَا الْبَلَدِ الْأَمِينِ. So these are some of the examples in the Quran that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He swears 1 time or 2 times or 3 times. The only surah in the Quran where Allah has presented many swearings, one after the other, that there is no any other place in the Quran that Allah has presented almost 9 different types of swearings, is in this surah, Surat Alshams. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala presented many swearings in order to address an issue, in order to address something important. Now when you come to the surah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala started saying, وَالشَّمْسِ وَضُحَاهَا. I swear, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, by the moon, by the sun. وَالشَّمْسِ, Allah said, I swear by the sun. وَضُحَاهَا, and I swear by the light that comes with it. In one ayah, there are 2 swearings. One is the sun itself, and then the light that comes with the sun. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, I swear by both of them together. Number 2, then Allah proceeded. He said, وَالْقَمَرِ إِذَا تَلَاهَا. I swear by the moon which follows the sun. Usually, and the morning the sun comes up, then we benefit from the sun. After hours, then the sun goes away. Then what happens? Allahu Akbar. Look at the point here, brothers and sisters. Here Allah created the sun, and the sun comes with the light. And this light, we benefit from it during the daytime to do whatever we need to do. Now when the sun goes away, then the night comes. When this night comes, also you need a light. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Al-Qamar, the moon, so you can benefit from that light. But when? At night. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, when the sun goes away and then the moon comes at night, Allah said, I swear by the moon which follows the night, the day, after the sun goes out. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not stop there. Then He proceeded in swearing, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, also after the moon also disappears, then something also comes up, and that is what? وَالنَّهَارِ, the noon, which is afternoon, also comes with the light as well. So you and I can see our days, to go to the job, to work, to earn your halal. And here the point is this, before we proceed, see, Allah mentioned the noon, and then He mentioned the night. Now you can ask, why did Allah create the noon and the night? What is the purpose? Now, Al-Quran yufassiru ba'dahu ba'da. One part of the Quran translates other part. Now, when you ask the Quran itself, why did Allah create the day? Why did He create the night? In Surat Al-Naba, Allah explained. He said, وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ مَعَاشًا. The noon comes to do what? To sleep? No. Allah says to go and look for your daily bread. To go and earn your halal. Now what about the night? Allah said the night is to do what? To go and work? No. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says so you can rest. وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا. Here in America, or most of the places in the world today, we reverse it. وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ مَعَاشًا وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ لِبَاسًا. At night time you're supposed to sleep. What happened? Now I'm going to job. Now during the daytime when I have to leave, no, I have to sleep. Now just this ayah, you talk to the researchers who are not even Muslims. They don't even believe in God. 8 years, they don't believe in Quran. You ask them, what is the difference between sleeping during the day and sleeping at night? Now you go and Google it. This be our homework. Google sleeping at night and sleeping at daytime, and see what the Google will come up for you. Now they say, listen careful. They say a person who sleeps at night, even if it's a short hours, they say the body rests more than the one who sleeps at the noon a lot of hours. Meaning, if I can sleep at night for 3 hours, they say these 3 hours is better than sleeping during the daytime 12 hours. That is one. Number two, they say a person who sleeps at night and the person who doesn't sleep at night, they say the person who sleeps at night is most likely to live longer than the person who doesn't sleep at night. He's at work, working, and then the noon time he comes and says, they say that person is most likely not to live long. Because Quran said, وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ مَعَاشًا وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا. Why? Because at night everything is sustained. The entire world is what? Is at pause. When you sleep, your brain, your heart, your entire body gets to rest more than during the daytime when the entire world are up and all the crowd and noises are around you. So Quran, who created Allah, who created you and I, said that the best time for you to sleep is at night.